Manila time, 12:30 Eastern Standard, New York. Yeah, Eastern Standard Time. And we are watching the replay. There. The Rousey versus Holm replay. Baka sakaling manalo si Ronda pag nag-play siya. And I have listed my weekly goal. So for this week, the goal is there. That's 7 days of OBAP. OBAP is Oplan Balik Alindog program. Ako lang nagpauso na. Kasi I gained a lot of weight since I started working sa call center. Lalo nung nag-start ako mag-work sa bahay. And I need to finish this online course. I wanna do that this week na. Kasi pending siya since last week. One vlog and one blog per day. I think I can do that. And then a certain number of hours for overtime, extra income. So that's it. I'll see you later. Bye. Say hello. Galaw tayo nga. Galaw nose.